Hello everyone, welcome to Programming Cradle. I posted a video about a free AI and data science course from IIT Madras via NPTEL. So some of you asked about if there is any ML course from any of the IITs. So I found one, and that's exactly what I'll be discussing in this video. And if you don't know what is the difference between data science, machine learning, or data engineer or data analyst, I have a video on this topic. You can check it out. I will leave a card here, or maybe I'll leave a link into the description. So after this video, you can check out that video as well. And if you are new here, or if you haven't subscribed this channel yet, go ahead, subscribe to the channel and be a part of Programming Cradle family. And also share this video with your friends if you find this video helpful. And yes, also only one day is left, so you can participate in the giveaway as well. It is basically a giveaway of best ML course on Udemy. So I hope you will like that as well. So with that being said, now let me show you the course.
This is the course, and as you can see, this course is offered by IIT Madras, and the professor is Professor Balaraman. And this is the intro video. You can check out to get more insights about the course. And as you can see here, already 3,138 people have registered for this course, and you can enroll for this course by clicking on this join button. Now let me show you the course layout. And before that, I would like to tell you the prerequisites. So they assume that you already know a little bit of programming, which will help you in assignments, and also you have a brief idea about probability theory, linear algebra. So that will be helpful for you, but also they are covering the basic overview about those topics in the first week, or maybe before starting the course. So that will again give you a little heads up for the course. And this course is divided into 12 weeks. So you can see here topics week wise, and they have started from introduction to the statistical decision theory, and also as I told you, they are covering probability theory, linear algebra, and convex optimization. So now let me tell you some important dates. So as I told you, this course is of 12 weeks, and the course will start on 20 July 2020, and the end date will be on 9th October 2020. And yes, there will be one exam, and the exam date is 18th October 2020, and the enrollment for this course will end on 27th July 2020. And also this course is approved by AICTE, and which is actually good. And if you like to read, they have also given you some books and references, so you can check out these as well. And it is this book is freely available online, so that is again a good thing. And if you want to read about the instructor, so you can read here about him as well. And now let's talk about the certificate. So here there is an optional charge, which is actually you have to pay to get the certificate. So the charge is 1000 rupees, and in my opinion, for this valuable certificate, this is not much. But again, the price is very person dependent. So for somebody 1000 rupees won't be much, but for somebody 1000 rupees will be a great deal. But that's okay if you can just learn from this course, don't care much about the certificate. So then again, this course will be good for you. And the exam is on 18th October, as I told you. There will be two sessions. Morning session will be from 9 a.m. to 12 noon, and afternoon session will be from 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. And the registration URL for examination will be active by the end of the course. Now if you want to be eligible for the certificate, there is a criteria. So 25% weightage will be given to your assignments. So basically there are total 12 assignments, out of which your best 8 assignments will be taken into consideration. And exam score will have a weightage of 75%. So the final score will be calculated as the average assignment score plus the exam score. And they have also given you this example, so you can read this example for a better clarification. And the certificate will have your name, your photograph, and your score, which you will get in the final exam, and the logo of NPTEL and also IIT Madras. So that is again a good thing. So it will add a value to your resume if you put this certificate in your resume. So this is all overview for this course, and in my opinion, if you gain some knowledge from this course, it will be very helpful for you guys. If you are planning to do MTech, MS, or if you want to do master's degree, or if you want to just take some course before that, if you do this course, it will give you a broad understanding of machine learning and some topics which are covered here. So it will be helpful for you to cover other courses as well in a good pace. So in my opinion, this course will be very good for you. So this is it guys for this video, and if you haven't joined the Telegram group, you can join the Telegram group, and there you can post your queries, and also you can solve others queries, others error, because to learn something, in my opinion, the best way is by solving others errors and others query, because there is no way that you can get all the errors by yourself and solving them on your own. So if you solve others error, you will get to know that there are some errors like that as well, and by that you will actually learn a lot. So in my opinion, you can do that, and by joining the Telegram group. And also, if you haven't downloaded the data science notes, you can download the data science notes. Link will be in the description, which will help you in learning data science. And yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, and also share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.